I've been exploring the Shake Shack mobile app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this mobile app. The Shake Shack app is a mobile ordering app designed for people who already enjoy Shake Shack and want a faster, more convenient way to get their burgers, fries, and shakes without waiting in line. It focuses on letting you place pickup or delivery orders from your phone, while also offering app-only perks and promotions that regular in-store customers might not see. Overall, it aims to streamline the whole Shack run for frequent visitors and fans of the brand. At its core, the app lets you order ahead and skip the line by choosing a nearby Shack, selecting your items, and setting a pickup time that works for you. You can customize your meal, including noting allergy preferences, and save your favorite orders so that reordering a go-to combo becomes a quick, repeatable task. Payment is designed to be straightforward, with support for Apple Pay and other methods, which makes it easy to complete an order while you're commuting, at work, or on the way home. However, the app is not without flaws, and the reviews hint at a more mixed day-to-day experience than the high rating might suggest. The overall rating is very strong, with an average of 4.8 out of 5 and a large majority of ratings in the 5-star range, which indicates that many people find it reliable and useful. At the same time, a portion of users report friction during the ordering flow, especially around technical hiccups that can show up when the app is under real-world use. So while the general sentiment is very positive, there are pain points that show up consistently enough to be worth noting. Overall, the Shake Shack app is a solid choice if you already enjoy the brand and want a smoother way to order, skip the line, and occasionally unlock special menu items or app-only offers. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.